I usually do not venture into a lot of budget stuff, but this is sponsored from a friend to be precise. He he showed interest in this one, and I ordered it on behalf of him. So this is the KZ CCA 3DD legendary IEM. It was priced at $30, and the price has gone up. Happy New Year. This is a nice touch. I know that these Chinese companies do that, but the new year is long gone, maybe. But nevertheless, they have this packaging. It seems there is something more here. What is it? Okay, place new order for IEM. Total value over $50. Get free ABS case. Okay, so if you are interested, if you have ordered from these guys, they this is a decent thing if you place order. But I'm not sure I want to place any more orders. We will see. We will see nevertheless. So let's have a look at the CCA Trio. Okay, 3DD, four switches. I saw this today. Four switches. We are getting four four of these switches. So I went through their website, and it seems all these four cannot be in one position. Uh, all these four cannot be on position. Okay, cannot be up. They are in pairs. It can be 1 and 2 or 3 and 4. So we will see. I'm not exactly sure, but we will see what are the effects of this. Net weight, frequencies, resistance is 15 to 20 ohm, and sensitivity is decent sensitivity 101. Let's open it up. Let's see what are the things we are getting. Nothing new, to be precise. KZ has been selling a lot of their IEMs in these tiny boxes, and this is more efficient. I do not like those foam stuffed boxes a lot, but that is a bit more lavish, one has to say. And it seems KZ is not trying to be lavish or anything like that. If we look at the earpieces, this is fairly on the bigger side, fairly big, fairly big. KZ is known for the QC issues. I'm not sure if I will have any issues with this or not, but this is on the bigger side, and maybe an inch, close to an inch in size, I guess, and a bit on the heavier side too. 3DD drivers. Can we see the drivers here? No, we can see only one driver here. That is fine, I do not mind. Unlike the Neo 3, we do not see the drivers clearly. Let's take it out. So this tool is to be used to push this on and off. So yeah, SIM ejector kind of tool. So yeah. Okay, that is nice. Let's have a look at the set of tips. There is one foam tip already on the earpiece. I think of M size, I guess. This is not small, not large, mostly M size. And if I have to talk about build quality, it is decent. For $30, the build quality is decent, not exciting or anything, but it's hard to complain. You are getting a lot for the price, and it is decent. Cable is okay too, nothing fancy as you guys can see, and as usual, some memory issues, some bad memory issues, just like any other KZ cable. KZ are known for their memory prone cables. Let's have a look at the tips here. I'm not expecting anything fancy, and there is nothing fancy either. These are not Starline tips, are they? Yeah, nice. These are very good quality Starline tips, and some of the best tips I have seen on a IEM, to be precise. Very good quality tips. These are on par with, I will say, final audio tips. So very good set of tips. Yeah, and that is it. This is the unboxing of KZ CCA Trio. Happy New Year. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.